Do you know that 1 in 3 internet users worldwide is a child? Or that 60% of teens face cyberbullying? The internet world is full of amazing opportunity, but also hidden dangers. Are your kids truly safe online? Well, in this video, we will uncover particular actionable steps to protect your child in the digital age. In today's hyper-connected world, our kids are spending more time online than ever before. While the internet offers incredible opportunities for learning and growth, it also comes with risk. In this video, we will explore particular ways to keep our kids safe online. Do you know that 1 in 3 internet users worldwide is a child? Or that near 60% of teenagers have experienced cyberbullying? These numbers highlight how crucial it is for parents to take steps toward ensuring their children's internet safety. Let's take a closer look at the risk kids face online, from cyberbullying and inappropriate content to predators and data security threats. These challenges can impact their mental health, safety, and privacy. Setting clear ground rules helps children navigate the online world safely. Agree on limits for screen time, create lists of approved websites, and encourage them to report anything that makes them feel uncomfortable. Thankfully, technology can help us protect our children. Parental control apps like Park or Custodio allow you to monitor and manage your child's online activity. And don't forget to enable privacy settings on devices and apps. Educating kids about online safety is crucial. Teaching them never to share personal details, how to recognize scams, and to report inappropriate behavior to you immediately. Active involvement is a key. Keep the lines of communication open with your kids and make it a habit to discuss their online experiences. Stay informed about the platforms they use and model safe internet behavior. Remember, a combination of education, supervision, and open communication is the best way to keep your kids safe online. By working together, we can help our kids explore the digital world safely and responsibly. Subscribe for more tips on cybersecurity and networks. And thank you. See you in the next video.